The fall through of a pendulum. Fighting a pendulum is useless. The more you resist, the more energy you give it. It's like trying to push something away, only to have it cling tighter. Here's the realization. You don't need to change the world around you. Accept things as they are. Not because you approve, but because resistance feeds what you don't want. Imagine you're in an art gallery. Some pieces you like, others not. You don't demand the ugly ones be removed. You just move on. Do the same with pendulums. Don't fight or blame them. Just acknowledge and move on. Before you can consciously choose your path, you must say no to what you don't want. Not by resisting, but by letting go. Let things pass through you without attachment. Say you hate apples. You could ignore them, but instead, you obsess over how much you hate them. You rant, complain, fixate. Energetically, it's like shoving apples into your mouth while shouting how disgusting they are. It doesn't matter whether you love or hate something. If you're emotionally engaged, you're tuned to its frequency, and that keeps it in your life. If you truly want something gone, don't avoid it, ignore it. Avoidance still engages it emotionally. Indifference does not. It disappears because you've stopped feeding it energy. You're like a radio. Each day you tune in to a station that plays songs you hate. So, change the station. You might think building emotional walls will protect you, but even that takes energy, and still keeps you on the pendulum's frequency. Pendulums feed on attention, positive or negative. The solution? Emptiness. If you're emotionally neutral, neither resisting nor reacting, the pendulum can't stick to you. Its energy passes through. You're no longer part of its game. Pendulums need players. Stop playing, and they move on. Imagine a dog barking and chasing you. Bark back, and it keeps coming. Ignore it, and it gets bored. Now think of someone who constantly annoys you. If you react, even silently, you're feeding the pendulum. But if you can ignore them completely, mentally and emotionally, they'll fade from your reality. Say, never mind him, and move on. Sometimes you can't walk away. Say your boss gives you a hard time. If you defend yourself or argue, you're still in the game. Instead, pretend to go along. Stay calm. Let their energy burn out. Then, steer gently. Ask for suggestions. Ask how you can help. You're not resisting. You're redirecting. Think of aikido. You don't block the attack. You move with it and redirect. You step aside, and the force passes by. So when you're handed something unfair, don't argue. Listen. Let the pendulum swing. Ask questions. Find the path of least resistance. Soon, the pendulum will swing past you and land elsewhere. By staying emotionally neutral, you let the pendulum fall through.